There's a second person called Dafa Gonzalez. Vanoita nezvehupu variko kuimbota chibadzi variko kuchigaya variko kutengesa hupu wacho. But there comes the problem. Hupu wakazara black market more than where they're supposed to be. And even in as much as government is subsidizing price of hupu, but only when people are queuing for millions, then you tend to wonder what is taking place. Havangarambara chamari wogaka vanhu vachitambura nekushaya kudzimba. Him and a clique of white people that is working with yavanozvipa some name, some funny committee. I think they must just stop what they're doing. Vakuru vamwe mune mamwe masectors vanenge vachidya mari dzakasviba kudai, they must not receive mari yakasviba kudai, because it creates a perception which is not right in the eyes of the Zimbabwean people. Not from any one organization, but across. Even the same person that I've spoken about, I think in majority of government or private sector, vashoma vasina kutambira mari yake. Vashoma. If we were to group ourselves here, very surprised, probably half of you might have one or the other access to their money. But I think it's time that we work together to make sure that this is